Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this week, we are going to have our sealed game tourney for Smash and Destroy. Let's go! Okay, so we have here the early birds, and while waiting for the other participants, we decided to have some fun free plays. Enough with the free plays and move on to sealed.
Unboxing guys.
Malungkot.
Lungkot daw, lungkot.
Wave.
Clear ano?
Wave.
Wait, baka arcade na naman sa akin pita.
Ako.
Ayan.
Ano?
Hoy! RP!
RPSR. Hindi ka rin sa
Kamsan. Ayan.
Hoy, nakabukas
Saan?
Gunding.
Ganito. Akin yan. Tsaka Harpy yung Harpy.
Tata.
Uy,
Lars, sige,
Harpy!
bukas na.
Trade
Tangan
ko
sa
to.
atin.
Goat to, goat.
Ay, gugut.
Goat. Magiging goat to.
Aero.
Parang rare din. Debris.
Debris, red.
Yan.
Ito, magneto.
Ito. Magnitohin mo na nga. Sige na nga.
Arcade?
Hoy!
Arcade. Hoy, wala ka parang magating sa akin. Adalin doon. Tayo.
Sa'yo muna.
Awak. Mukhang nakuha ko ngayon ah. Tingnan natin.
Ay! Jagnito.
Uy!
Ano
Uy, Captain Marvel.
Magnito.
Puta bulldozer.
Sino susunod?
Sirapa.
Ito ako wala.
Ah,
Ano, SR lang na wrecking ball.
May excitement.
Saka may right. Pwede na.
Puta mo! Maganda.
Next.
Conrad!
Lalabang kayo.
Anood ka? Ang ganda ng ribay oh!
1, 2, ready?
Ha? Uy!
Kanilapit ko to.
Taskmaster. Dalawang SR pa lang. Eh, di isa pa lang.
Rebuy na ako.
RP.
Ako din revive din.
Teka lang. Wait for the revive kasi ano, we have to prioritize syempre yung ano.
Hoy!
Cinder.
Puta, yun Cinderland.
Cinder. Kaya, Lindon. Ay, wala pang chase.
Yan, Chase. Halika mo sa Sandy.
Ito na. Magneto to, magneto.
Iba yan din.
Magneto.
Magnito mo na. Magnito. Greenberry.
Magnito nga.
Dito mo na, para si Gingo naman.
Ay, go! Go! May chase. May pag-asa. Go!
Dito.
Revive,
diba?
revive ko na yun.
Teka lang.
Hindi, ito yung drop, diba? So, dito
Eh, ito pa. Tingnan natin.
Wala yan. Nasa drop.
Andiyan!
Uy, nanalo. Bawal gamitin ha.
150 lang.
Galing.
Oh my God.
Galing mo, congrats.
Tama yun, nasa nakalagay sa
Larry. Okay, next time Battle Royale na tayo.
Salamat ka sa brand.
Okay.
Pati ma.
Okay, video.
Alam bang buting?
Hoy, Craven!
Uy, wow!
Goliath. Destroyer, come on. Beat, open the other booster.
May puso ka ba? Wala yun.
Sorry. At siguro dyan yan. At tingin mo yung aso. Oh, okay lang. Ay, galing mo na ikaw pala.
Galingan mo, Pete!
Absorbing.
Destroy yun!
Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. We are here in Public Store and Pete is opening a brick of Smash and Destroy. Good luck, Pete! Good luck, Pete!
Destroyer Prime!
We will start with doing the same as our break.
Okay.
So we'll start from the first booster at the back. And we will end with the top booster.
Hey!
Okay. Booster number 1.
So who are you looking for, Pete?
I want a Magneto Chase.
Chase?
Actually, I have most of the SRs already. So it's either going to be a Destroyer Prime or a Magneto.
Sumingit lang.
Jaganat by ko ha.
Magneto!
Captain America.
Okay, here we go.
Ay, hindi pala pwede.
Oh! Oh, yeah.
Even.
Dr. Dooming!
Okay, Goliath is rare.
Goliath Rare is the
No
rare.
one shot. It's a rare. Goliath rare is a Giant Man, man. It's Giant Man. I don't have this, so I'm okay with that.
The rightmost backside.
We now go with the second booster.
Don't forget.
Nangyayari na. Tumingin. Aray sa'yo.
So,
Tumingin ka lang.
second booster.
Teka,
Can you see it? Can you? Conrad, nakita.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
okay. Walang yaka.
Debris? Ano?
Nakikita ba sa video?
Three.
No. It's Bulldozer again.
Ooh!
Okay.
Magaling card.
Bulldozer.
Yeah, it's a Bulldozer. Wala. It's glue.
Oy, the champion figure!
The champion.
Okay, so no SRs yet or primes or hopefully we get a really nice chase or
Tang ina yun,
prime
naka-apat.
here.
Apat naman na ano.
Break, wala mo ba?
Wala.
Oh.
Success on the 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so third booster.
Captain Booster. Oy! Primus.
Uy!
Arcade. Oh, okay, what's this? Why is there two?
Jagnito!
No. It's
Bonito.
arcade. There's two. Debris.
It's
Snake.
Yun!
Okay.
Hindi kita, balik ka
Sorry,
mo.
No SRs yet.
Balik ka rin mo.
No
No
SRs.
SRs, no
Oh,
cases
yun.
yet.
No SRs. It's still all rares.
Maybe it's front heavy.
too soon yung palakpak.
Paingat you.
Favorite ni Jasper, dalawang arcade.
Arcade!
Is this front
That
heavy?
Oh, okay.
May booster.
Okay.
Booster number 4.
Is brought to you by
Sandal Ocean.
Oh, yes. Ito na.
Hawkeye.
I feel good.
Thor Eye.
Magneto!
Oh, magdito.
Okay. Taskmaster B.
Uy.
Okay, I don't have that.
Front loaded yan.
Okay, so it looks like a front-loaded brick.
Oh,
Interesting.
oo, yung pinampatay.
Tira na mama nalulusaw lahat.
Okay.
This episode
Pinili.
is brought to you
Booster
by...
Oh, top heavy.
Juicy hand.
Ant-Man.
Juicy.
Hawkeye.
Hawkeye.
Debris
Wala kang
again.
juicy. Hindi
Oh,
ka.
debris with a...
Another debris.
Debris.
Ano ba? Parang walang cheese ah.
Parang walang ito na.
Nasa harap, nasa harap.
Nasa harap, pag ready, from ready.
Okay.
No. Heavy.
No.
Heavy. Yung,
Heavy.
front pick.
The last
Heavy.
booster.
Last
for
booster
the-
from the back.
Okay.
Booster number 6.
It's the back.
Okay.
From behind.
Yeah. So
Oy,
let's...
Wait, Captain
Captain
America.
America.
Not the...
Arrow.
Oh! May chance na
And another debris.
May chance na Captain America
Ay,
chase.
oo.
Diba?
Debris.
Pero, Harpy, may chance yan.
Pwede rin
Ano?
Tony Stark.
Captain America.
Pwede ito start.
May chance.
Okay, so we only have one as our
Arrow.
booster 7.
Yan na.
Magneto!
Mon.
On.
Okay. Okay, Prime Abomination.
Oh, see?
Okay, so
Not
next one.
bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Kasi naka-prime sa atin. Wala yung, hindi, meron si Angelo, naka-prime.
O hindi, naka-prime Harpy siya.
Hindi naka-prime mo pa sa isang break.
Thor yata
pero
kasama.
Thor ba? Thor?
Pero tinangay siya ng Harpy.
Okay.
Anyway, wala na mag-guaranteed collision.
Jagnito.
Jagnito.
Hindi, Jagnito.
Titania.
Ulit.
Titania.
Expected. Expected.
Oh, four degrees on
Wow. Hindi nakita.
For debris?
Four.
It's a debris brick. Debris brick.
Balik na naman.
Pete, uwi na tayo. Gusto mo na sa
Hindi siya
bahay.
debris, hazmat. For debris terrain.
For debris.
For debris terrain. For terrain.
Akala mo debris.
Bakit ang daming debris?
Swerte yung break, malakas yung mga terrain. Mahirap na.
Yun. Pero walang
Pero
chase.
walang
Full
one
debris
shots.
lang.
Walang one shot.
Walang one shot
no?
to. Wala to.
Wala pa?
Wala pa.
Puro debris.
Puro debris
Pero
lang.
malay natin.
Pero for debris. Malay natin.
Yun! Chase na debris.
Magnito na.
Isang SR pa lang, isang SR.
Dalawa na.
Dalawa.
Titania, Hero.
Agad niya, hero.
Captain Marvel. Chase.
Pwede na rin.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
okay.
Marvel, let's
Yun
see.
talaga. That's
The
live.
legacy card. Legacy card.
Legacy
magdadala
card.
niya.
May isa pa
May isa pang SR.
Walang SR.
Wag lang one
Hindi,
shot.
chase ulit. Ano yung isa pang chase? Pwede?
Absorbing.
Absorbing Man.
Pero usually kay Captain America. Pero may chance.
Absorbing.
Dalawa, di ba? Dalawang chase. Pwede dalawang chase yan.
This year.
X23. Uy!
Ano yun?
Destroyer.
Uy, Prime!
Oy!
Prime?
Equipment, equipment.
O yan, yan, yan.
So, lahat
Malay
ng-
mo, meron pang chances.
Lahat ng break meron, Lars.
Lahat ng break.
Pero ano kasi siya? What are break pa rin?
Hindi ba siya pwede gamitin na tulad ng mga kasal?
Tsaka ako lang.
Plus to defense?
Yan na, yan na. yan na.
Hoy, kambing ulit.
Oh! That's a good pull.
Okay, that's a very good.
Good pull.
SR.
Mas mahal ang camping yun.
The more
Wala ka pa nung
Yun lang
Captain
naman.
Marvel.
wala.
Papaitan pa lang.
New chase, so okay
Lahat
lang.
naman kami wala.
Ayan, mukhang next week, Spider-Verse tayo.
Papaitan ang gusto ni Sir Pete. Papaitan na.
Ako na.
Hindi, dadaling ko dito yung smash ko eh. Hindi, may ano ka ng plus spider.
May bubble wrap.
Pwede naman, ano, one, may bato si Hulk?
Wait. Okay, so yun. So that's the
Ay, yun ano, yun.
hopefully the legacy
Legacy ka mo!
card.
Hindi na excited!
Juggernaut!
Juggernaut.
Green Scar.
Hindi, Green Scar, syempre! Green Star!
Green
Green
Scar.
Star.
Goblin.
Green Star! Come on!
Green Goblin.
Green Star kasi naman ang as.
Green Spider-Man. Green Spider-Man.
Green
Green
Scar.
Arrow! Green Star!
Green Lantern!
Ano? Green
Arrow.
Star!
Green Lantern.
Green Scar!
Leader.
Green Leader.
Green! Green! Green Leader! Ano ba kayo? Green yung mukha! Green yung mukha!
Green-minded.
So that's it for the Brick of Pete. Congratulations, Pete!
Thank you very much to everyone who participated and see you guys next week. Bye bye!